13 science-backed reasons to include mint leaves in your daily routine. Mint leaves, with their refreshing aroma and cool flavor, are more than just a garnish. They are powerhouses of nutrients and beneficial compounds that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. In this video, we'll dive deep into 13 science-backed reasons why incorporating mint leaves into your daily routine can significantly benefit your health. This isn't just general information. We'll share real-life case studies and credible research findings that highlight mint's incredible potential. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Improves digestive health. Mint leaves have long been celebrated for their ability to aid digestion. Scientific research has revealed that mint contains compounds such as menthol, which can help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, providing relief from symptoms of indigestion and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. A clinical trial conducted on IBS patients found that those who consumed peppermint oil experienced significantly reduced symptoms compared to a placebo group. Emma, a 34-year-old nurse, shared her experience with peppermint tea. She found that sipping on peppermint tea after heavy meals alleviated her bloating and discomfort, allowing her to avoid over-the-counter medications. Number 2. Provides natural antimicrobial effects. The essential oils extracted from mint leaves have significant antimicrobial properties. Research conducted on mint extracts showed that compounds like carvone and menthol are effective against bacteria such as E. coli and Salmonella. This makes mint leaves an excellent natural remedy to help ward off infections and boost overall immunity. A small study in a food safety lab investigated the effect of mint essential oil on foodborne pathogens. The results demonstrated a reduction in bacterial growth, supporting the notion that mint could be used in preserving food and promoting food safety. Number 3. Boosts cognitive function. Inhaling the aroma of mint has been linked to enhanced cognitive performance. A study conducted by Northumbria University found that participants exposed to peppermint aroma demonstrated improved memory and alertness compared to a control group. Incorporating mint into your diet or using it aromatically may help improve your focus and mental clarity. Lisa, a college student, uses mint essential oil during her study sessions. She noticed that the refreshing scent helped her stay alert and retain information better during late-night study marathons. Number 4. Supports oral health. Mint is a popular ingredient in many toothpastes and mouthwashes for good reason. The antibacterial properties of mint help kill harmful bacteria in the mouth, which can prevent cavities and freshen your breath. A study published in the Journal of Oral Health found that participants who used a mouthwash containing mint extract reported a significant reduction in bad breath compared to a placebo group. John, a 45-year-old marketing executive, shared how chewing fresh mint leaves after meals not only kept his breath fresh, but also helped him maintain his oral hygiene while on the go. Number 5. Helps relieve skin issues. Mint leaves contain salicylic acid and have anti-inflammatory properties, making them useful for treating skin issues such as acne. Mint's antibacterial nature helps reduce the bacteria on the skin, while its cooling effect helps soothe irritated skin. A group of teenagers applied a mint-based face mask twice a week for a month. They reported reduced acne outbreaks and a significant reduction in skin redness, highlighting mint's potential in natural skincare. Number 6. Rich in antioxidants. Mint leaves are loaded with potent antioxidants, including rosmarinic acid, catechin, and luteolin. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is a major cause of chronic inflammation and various diseases. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in mint help scavenge free radicals, potentially lowering the risk of chronic ailments like cancer and heart disease. Number 7. Eases respiratory issues. Mint leaves have been traditionally used as a remedy for colds, flu, and other respiratory conditions. The menthol content helps open nasal passages, making breathing easier. Studies indicate that inhaling menthol vapors helps reduce nasal congestion and improve airflow. Number 8. Reduces headache and migraine symptoms. Topical application of peppermint oil has been shown to provide relief from tension headaches and migraines. The menthol in peppermint oil works as a muscle relaxant and increases blood flow to the forehead, offering relief from headaches. A study comparing peppermint oil to acetaminophen for headache relief found peppermint oil to be nearly as effective in reducing symptoms. Number 9. May aid weight loss. Mint leaves can also support weight loss by improving digestion and increasing metabolism. Although more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that consuming mint may help with satiety, reducing overall calorie intake. Drinking mint tea is an easy way to incorporate mint into your daily diet for those looking to shed a few pounds. Number 10. May inhibit harmful compounds during cooking. Marinating meats with mint before cooking can help reduce the formation of harmful compounds known as heterocyclic amines, HCAs, which are formed when cooking meat at high temperatures. Research shows that adding mint, along with other herbs like basil and lemon, to meat marinades can lower HCA formation by up to 60%, making your grilled dishes healthier. Number 11. Reduces stress and anxiety. Mint has natural adaptogenic properties that help the body manage stress. Studies suggest that the aroma of mint can have a calming effect, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Drinking mint tea or using mint essential oil for aromatherapy may help ease stress levels after a long day. Number 12. Supports immune system. Mint contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, which can help boost the immune system. Its antimicrobial properties also contribute to protecting the body from common infections, making mint a great herb for overall immune health. Number 13. Improves allergy symptoms. Mint contains rosmarinic acid, a compound that has been shown to help reduce symptoms of seasonal allergies. Research indicates that rosmarinic acid works by reducing inflammation and blocking the production of histamines, which are responsible for allergy symptoms like itching and sneezing. Well, that covers all the essential health benefits of mint leaves. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions of these amazing herbs. Question 1. Are mint and Pudina the same? Yes, mint and Pudina are the same. Pudina is the Hindi term for mint leaves, which are widely used in cooking and traditional medicine in India. Question 2. What is mint leaf called? Mint leaf is commonly called mint or mentha. It has different names in various cultures, such as Pudina in India. Question 3. Is mint good for skin whitening? Mint has properties that can help in skin brightening. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents that can reduce pigmentation and provide a more even skin tone. Question 4. Is mint good for hair? Yes, mint is good for hair. The menthol in mint can improve scalp health by increasing blood circulation and reducing dandruff, promoting healthier hair growth. Question 5. Can I eat mint every day? Yes, you can eat mint every day. It is generally safe and offers numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, fresh breath, and better immune function. Question 6. Can I drink mint every day? Yes, you can drink mint tea or mint-infused water daily. It is hydrating and can help with digestion, reduce stress, and offer other health benefits. Question 7. Is mint good for sleep? Yes, mint can promote better sleep due to its relaxing properties. Drinking mint tea before bedtime can help relax the body and improve sleep quality. Question 8. Can we drink mint water at night? Yes, drinking mint water at night can be beneficial. It can help relax the digestive system, reduce stress, and promote restful sleep. Question 9. Is mint good for men? Mint is beneficial for men as it helps with digestion, stress reduction, and oral health. However, excessive consumption may affect testosterone levels, so moderation is recommended. Question 10. Does mint have side effects? Mint is generally safe, but excessive consumption can lead to side effects like heartburn or reduced testosterone levels in men. It is best to consume it in moderation. Question 11. Is mint good for bed? Yes, mint can help improve sleep quality, making it good for bedtime. Drinking mint tea or using mint essential oil aromatically can help relax the body and promote better sleep. Question 12. Is mint water good for the skin? Yes, mint water is good for the skin. It can help hydrate the skin, reduce inflammation, and provide a cooling effect, which is beneficial for irritated skin. Question 13. Can I apply mint on my face? Yes, you can apply mint on your face. Mint leaves can be used in face masks to help reduce acne, soothe irritation, and brighten the skin. Question 14. Is mint good for the eyes? Mint has cooling properties that can help soothe tired eyes. However, it should not be directly applied to the eyes. Using mint-infused water as a compress can be beneficial. Question 15. Can you boil mint leaves? Yes, you can boil mint leaves to make mint tea or an infusion. Boiling helps release the essential oils and beneficial compounds from the leaves. Question 16. Can I drink mint juice daily? Yes, you can drink mint juice daily. It is refreshing and provides various health benefits, including improved digestion and hydration. Question 17. Is mint good for hair growth? Yes, mints can promote hair growth by improving blood circulation in the scalp and reducing dandruff, which creates a healthier environment for hair to grow. Question 18. Can mint leaves remove pimples? Yes, mint leaves can help remove pimples due to their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Applying a mint paste to the affected area can reduce redness and swelling. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.